Good afternoon, everyone. In today's lecture of the subject service marketing, we will be discussing ethical aspects of service marketing. So, first of all, before going through the ethical aspects of service marketing, first we will clear what is ethics all about. Okay, then we will go through service marketing ethics, and then we will go through the different ethical aspects which are included in service marketing. Okay, now when we come across the term ethics, what ethics means? Okay, ethics means simply what is right and what is wrong. Okay, see, एथिक्स हा जो शब्द आहे तो आपण ऐकलेला आहे. ओके, बघा बऱ्याच वेळी आपण डिसिप्लिन, मॅनर्स, मॉरल, ओके, अशा बऱ्याचशा शब्द जे आहेत ते डिस्कस करतो. ओके, हे डिसिप्लिन, मॅनर, मॉरल हे सर्व काय आहे, तर याच्या थ्रू आपल्याला समजतं की कोणत्या गोष्टी करायच्या आहेत, कोणत्या गोष्टी करायच्या नाही आहेत, इज इट, कोणत्या गोष्टी योग्य आहेत, कोणत्या गोष्टी अयोग्य आहेत, ह्या सर्व गोष्टी आपल्याला ओके हे मॅनर्स, डिसिप्लिन, इज इट, किंवा अजून एक शब्द आहे बघा, कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट, ओके, याच्या थ्रू कळतं. ओके, सी वी नो द वर्ड कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट, राईट. ओके, व्हॉट इज कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट? त्याला मराठीमध्ये आचारसंहिता असं म्हटलं जातं. Okay, see, when we come across the word code of conduct, what it means? It means that, okay, code of conduct itself means that what is right and what is wrong. Okay, see, some of the things we are allowed to do, some of the things we are not allowed to do. Is it? See, for example, okay, see, when we were in school, at that time, okay, we were having some lessons related to moral. Okay, for example, is it good conduct, bad conduct? Is it, for example, when we consider is it the discipline in school? Is it, see, we were not allowed to grow the nails. Is it, we were not allowed to grow the nails. Is it, see, why not to grow the nails? Because, is it, see, when we consume the food, okay, when we consume the food, we do use hands, right? Okay, and our fingers, they do have nails. Okay, and see, we are engaged into many of the activities. Okay, see, when we are engaged into many of the activities, at the time in our nails, some dirt, some dust particles, okay, they stick up. Is it, they stick up, or it is collected into the nails. Is it, and if our nails are not clean, okay, if we have not cut our nails, is it, then what happens when we are consuming the food? When we are consuming the food, at the time we might consume that dirt, and due to this, is it, there will be contamination, there will be some kind of diseases, for example, some stomachache and all. Is it, so we were taught in the school that yes, we are not allowed to grow our nails. Is it, so that was don't, right? That was don't from our side. Is it, means if you grow the nails, then it is wrong. In the same sense, when we consider the word ethics, is it, मराठीमध्ये त्याला बघा नीतिशास्त्र असं म्हटलं जातं. See, what ethics means? Ethics means what is right and what is wrong. See, whenever you are conducting your business, whenever you are a service provider, at this time, okay, when you are a service provider, at this time, what do you do? Yes, as a service provider, what you are doing? Yes, you are offering a number of services. You are offering different types of services to the consumers. Okay, means what you do is, yes, you take a survey. Through that survey, you do highlight the needs of the consumers. Okay, after highlighting the needs of the consumers, what do? Yes, you modify your service, or what you do is you initiate a service in such a way that, okay, surely it will be benefiting, or it will be, yes, fulfilling the expectations of the consumers. Is it likewise? So when you are working as a service provider, or whenever you are playing a role of service provider, and the time, okay, when you are offering the service in favor of the consumers, yes, some of the things you are allowed to do, some of the things you are not allowed to do. Means whenever you think that you should be successful as a service provider, yes, few of the checklist you need to go through it. Okay, unless until you go through the checklist, unless until you go through the list, okay, of do's and don'ts, yes, you might not be able to be on right track. ओके, बघा, आपण जेव्हा एथिक्सचा विचार करतो, सर्व्हिस मार्केटिंगचा विचार करतो, इज इट, सर्व्हिस मार्केटिंगमध्ये काय नेमकं केलं जातं बघा. ओके, एक सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हायडर असतो, तो काही ॲक्टिव्हिटीज कंडक्ट करतो, ज्याच्या थ्रू जी सर्व्हिस तो त्याच्या ऑर्गनायझेशन थ्रू प्रोव्हाइड करणार आहे, त्याच्या बिझनेस थ्रू प्रोव्हाइड करणार आहे, ती इफेक्टिवली त्या कन्झ्युमरपर्यंत पोहोचेल आणि कन्झ्युमरचे नीड्स जे होते ते त्याच्या थ्रू सॅटिस्फाय होतील. So what you need to do is, yes, you need to highlight something, okay, related to your service which is right, okay, because if you commit something which is not right, or which will be affecting the society at large, surely the viewpoint of the consumers while seeing your product, okay, or their perception related to your product, it will be changing in such a way that, okay, they will ignore your product, or they will start rejecting your product. Okay, because if you commit something which will affect the social welfare or society's health, or it will affect the society at large, surely, yes, as consumers are a part of the society, yes, as the consumer are the part of the society, surely it will badly affect, yes, their minds, okay, and they will not prefer your product further. So service marketing ethics here means that, yes, setting up a standard by which every marketing actions which are taken by the service organization, they are judged in such a way that whether they are right or wrong, okay, it has been cleared through it. Then it is the area of applied ethics which deals with the moral principles behind the operation and regulation of service marketing. So, in ethics, what is done? Yes, when it comes to service marketing ethics, yes, whether you are following all the moral principles, okay, it is considered thoroughly, okay, and the operation of the service organization, that is the steps or the process which is adopted by the service organization, whether it is right or wrong, it is judged. Okay, and whether the activities which are conducted under the service marketing, they are rightly done or not, it is effectively checked. Then the factors affecting the ethical decision making. Yes, see, whenever, yes, the discussion about the decision making, it is done. What is decision making? Yes, see, every day, every organization has to finalize many of the decisions related to the organization. Okay, some of the decisions, okay, might be related to profits, might be related to strategies, might be related to the policies or any other thing. Okay, see, if a decision is not rightly taken, it can further affect the organization very badly. Okay, or if a decision is not taken rightly, okay, or timely, is it can further affect the progress of your organization. Okay, so there are different factors which does affect the ethical decision making. Okay, means the decisions when they are finalized. Okay, the manager who finalizes the decisions, is it whenever he is finalizing the decisions at the time, okay, he should be using his rational mindset. Okay, further, only rational mindset is not important. Okay, but there are different factors which does affect the rational mindset of this person. Okay, see, different people make different decisions on basis of the interpersonal relations, okay, ability, morality and learning with the same set of cultural and organizational values. Okay, see, whenever the people or the concerned people from the organization, okay, whenever they are finalizing the decisions, okay, whenever they are finalizing the decisions, see, some factors related to their relations with other people, some factors related to their personal factors or their personality attributes, as it like ability, morality, okay, what they have learned, is it how is their individual behavior, okay, from what culture they are coming, from what society they are coming, is it what are the organization's values, is it these are all the things which surely the person while making or finalizing the decisions, okay, at this time these factors, okay, could badly affect them, is it. So the first factor affecting the ethical decision making is personal values. Okay, personal values. See, the personal values influence the ethical decision making. Personal values influence the ethical decision making. Means what? Okay, see, his personal life, the individual who is finalizing the decision, okay, when we consider this individual, okay, there are certain factors within his personality. For example, Okay, the culture in which his upbringing is done. Okay, surely that culture could affect, okay, that culture could affect his decision making. Okay, then how is his mental stage? Okay, it could also affect the decision making or the decision which he is finalizing. Okay, then as a person, how his thinking is. Okay, how important is his professional life. Okay, then the corporate culture. Yes, it provides a framework for making ethical decisions. Rule and regulation, policies and procedures of the institute needs to be considered at the time of making decisions. See, what are the rules and regulations related to your organization? What are the policies and procedures of your organization? So, what are the policies and procedures of your institute, of your organization? Is it? They are to be considered while finalizing the decisions. Okay. Then, organization structure. Okay, the organization which you are related to. Okay, what is its structure? Whether centralization or decentralization is adopted into your organization. Okay, see, when it comes to research, actually it is said that the past studies has revealed that yes, in centralized structure, okay, more ethical decisions they are taken. Then the reward system. Okay, what it means? Reward system are the outcome based rather than behavior utilized to achieve the results. Is it? See, when should be the rewards should be given? Yes, whenever the outcome is good, the rewards received are also will be good. Is it? So, so how to accomplish, okay, and the results, okay, or the reward, it should be based on outcome. Then the competitive environment. Okay, see, when it comes to competitive environment, what is it? Yes, competitive environment in which individual operates is a major challenge actually. Okay, because there will be pressure from the supervisor. Okay, if there is ethical climate in the organization, yes, it will also affect the individual's personal values. When an individual feels that the pressure to succeed and achieve the targets, they tend to compromise their own personal values and ethics. For instance, a strong campaign by Money Life through its website and its social media properties got quick justice for a 79-year-old man with an ailing wife. Indulgent bank officials had deceitfully persuaded him break his fixed deposit with the bank and invest in a wrong product. The bankers came at 11:30 in the night bearing a demand of rupees 7 lakhs covering the amount he was persuaded to withdraw. See, the competitive environment, what it means? It means that whenever an individual is taking a decision, there are different types of pressures put on him, due to which his personal values are affected and which can have an impact on the decision making. So जेव्हा आपण एथिकल डिसिजन मेकिंगवरती अफेक्ट होणाऱ्या फॅक्टर्सचा विचार करतो, पहिल्यांदा त्याचे पर्सनल व्हॅल्यूज, तो जो इंडिव्हिज्युअल आहे जो डिसिजन फायनलाइज करतो आहे किंवा डिसिजन घेतो आहे, त्याचे पर्सनल व्हॅल्यूज काय आहेत, त्याचे इंडिव्हिज्युअल फॅक्टर्स काय आहेत, ते सुद्धा त्याला अफेक्ट करत असतात. नंतर तो ज्या ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये काम करत आहे, त्या ऑर्गनायझेशनचे रूल्स, रेग्युलेशन्स, पॉलिसीज, प्रोसिजर्स काय आहेत, हे सुद्धा अफेक्ट करतं डिसिजन मेकिंगवरती. ऑर्गनायझेशन स्ट्रक्चर कसं आहे, सेंट्रलाइज आहे की डिसेंट्रलाइज आहे. रिसर्च थ्रू असं जाणवलं आहे की जे सेंट्रलाइज्ड स्ट्रक्चरवाले ऑर्गनायझेशन असतात त्याच्यामध्ये जास्त प्रमाणात इथिकल डिसिजन्स घेतले जातात. रिवॉर्ड सिस्टीम काय आहे? एखाद्याने समजा रिझल्ट अचीव केलं तर त्याला काय मिळणार, त्याचा आउटकम काय आहे. नंतर कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह एन्व्हायरमेंट, त्याच्यावरती प्रेशर किती आहे, क्लायमेट फिजिबल आहे का, प्रेशरमुळे त्याला तो जास्त टार्गेट अचीव करतो की त्याचे पर्सनल व्हॅल्यूज कुठे अफेक्ट होत आहेत. these are all the factors which do affect the ethical decision making. Thank you.